All right. So this brief video is to show you how to link assignments or using the APHIS tools. So first you click on APHIS tools, and then once you come here, I'm showing you my 073 course, and you can see all the CLOs listed here. Then you go to the hamburger sign right here. We call it the hamburger sign. And you come down to this menu under assessments, and you will click on assignments, and you will do this just once for each course, each section. And all that will do is it is going to load all the assignments that are in the course and get it ready for linking. So that'll take a couple minutes. As you can see, it is loading the data. So, okay, all the assignments are loaded on now. So this is the second step. You go back to the hamburger sign, and again, you go under assessment, and this time you will click on assignment linking. And once again, it's pulling all the assignments to get ready for linking. For some reason, it'll do twice. And now you can see the CLOs listed here. And on this side is where you will see the linked assignments. And since this is carrying it over from my previous semester, you will see it already linked. For you, if you have never linked assignments, this space will be blank. And all you will see is this blue circle with the pencil sign. So you will click on that. And you will see all the assignments again, and this time you will make a determination as to which assignment you want to link for the first CLO or whatever CLO you're linking. And you can see I have checked some boxes here because these are the assignments that I wanted to link for this particular CLO. And you can see I have set the mastery to be around 80%. And proficiency, I can move it to 70%, and then anything below that will be considered not proficient. And this is, once you set it, it'll automatically carry over. And once you figure out which assignment, click the boxes, and you're ready. Click on Save. And all the assignments that you linked will show up here with the weight, and this weight is just for APHIS to calculate like how much weight you're giving for each assignment, and you can change that. Maybe you want to give more weight for the latter half of the assignments and less weight for the first one. So that's all up to you how you want to do it, but this is the basic linking, and this is how it'll show up for each of the CLO. So that's all there is to linking.